Muzata.
Muzata cable cutter is ideal for cutting all kinds of cable including stainless steel wire rope. It is widely used in industrial and home applications, especially for cable railing installation. The blade is quite sharp and durable, since it is made of chrome vanadium steel and has been hardened by high-frequency quenching. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. The max supportable diameter of stainless steel is 532 inch. As you can see, the cutting profile is very clean without fraying or smashing. Cutting power cable. Cutting steel wire. As you can see, we can cut all these cable with one-hand operation. If you do a lot of cable cutting work or need to cut thicker wire rope, we recommend Muzata CR03 with 18-inch long levers. It is a professional labor-saving cable cutter and supports up to 8mm stainless steel wire rope. Next, we are going to show you how to choose wire rope and cable railing kit for your cable railing project. Muzata has a variety of wire ropes with different length for your choice. Muzata 304 stainless steel wire rope WA01 is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. It is designed for long lifetime, ideal for both indoor and outdoor application. Muzata 316 stainless steel wire rope WA02 has superior anti-corrosion property and outstanding resistance to chloride, since molybdenum is added in 316 material. So it is ideal for coastal and marine applications. Vinyl coated 304 stainless steel wire rope has a vinyl coat to protect cable from corrosions and abrasions outside and prolong the service life. WA03 galvanized steel wire rope has much more brighter appearance, and is much cheaper than stainless steel cable, although it is less impressive on anti-rust property. It is recommended to be used indoor or less humid environment. You can find them in Muzata one-stop shop. Then we could move to next step to choose cable railing fittings. So we are going to introduce some popular fitting kit for cable railing project. Firstly, Muzata CK01. It is a popular and cost-effective solution for deck railing. Easy to install with wide adjustable range. Here is all the parts for one pack. Then Muzata CK15. The only difference from CK01 is one-piece turnbuckle, which could improve the appearance of the whole project. And Muzata CK13. It includes a lag screw one-piece turnbuckle and a lag screw terminal. It is designed with one-piece pretty appearance, and made of marine grade 316 stainless steel, great for both outdoor and indoor application. Muzata CK07 toggle turnbuckle kit is capable of 180-degree rotation, so it is not only great for horizontal installation but also ideal for angle installation like stair railing. Muzata CK08 jaw turnbuckle kit is also capable of 180-degree rotation for angle installation. And it is detachable in case sometimes you need to remove the cable railing temporarily. The next coming up is Muzata CR26 invisible cable railing kit. The greatest feature is it could be hidden inside the post and make the railing pretty. And it works for both wood and metal post. Muzata thread stud terminal and stemble kit is an easy and cost-effective solution for cable railing. It is made of 316 stainless steel and great for outdoor and marine applications. It works on both wood and metal posts, and could be applied on stair railing with the help of angled washer. Muzata right and left lag screw terminal kit is also a cost-effective solution. The greatest advantage is it could resolve twisting problem while tensioning cable, since they could be rotated towards the same direction as a pair. Muzata protector sleeve is a useful item to protect the post and cable and make the hole pretty at the same time. And this is 30-degree angled washer. It is useful for angled installation such as staircase railing. Frequently bought together with thread stud terminal. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.